Saturday. I have 4 dogs. One is a female. The big one, Ollie, is extremely smart. Probably one of the smartest dogs I've ever. Well, not probably. Probably the smartest dog I've ever owned. That I know he's smart. Others might have been smart, but I just didn't get it. He's a big one. Big. Okay. We built a little pen in our den to keep my grandson's toys in so the dogs wouldn't chew them up. Well, somebody keeps pissing on that fence. This has been going on for a fucking year. And we kept blaming Cooper. No, I'm talking about you. Yeah, that's right. So I've been keeping them in, and they do it during the night. And so I've been keeping them in my room and, letting them out like one at a time, taking them all the way to the door, whatever, to go outside. They have a dog door. And trying to get a handle on it. Well, after doing this for a while, I think, still not 100%, but I think the smartest dog, Oliver, is the pisser. Now, I know he's trying to tell me something. It's like the other day, he came in, he wanted to be fed. I said, just wait a few minutes because the other dog's diabetic. He can't be fed early. It has to be fed at a certain time. So, a few minutes later, I walk in and there's piss. Okay, he was not happy. Then, clean that all up, and it's a lot. So that further indicates it's a big dog. Clean that up. Go about my morning routine, blah, 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 blah. And, find out, let's see. Okay, after that cleanup, and we do our routine, apparently the dogs, my wife has been sick, so she's been locking the dogs out of her room. All right, and she heard them scratching at her door and stuff. And later that day was piss again. So they're saying, "You're not letting me in. I'm mad. PP." Okay, so they're talking through piss. I grabbed him by the chin of the hair of his chin, shook it, and pointed at the pee area. And blah, blah, blah. Figured if he's that smart, he understands. But then within an hour, he pissed again. So, I bet there's people that would change this problem for their problem all around the planet. You mean your problem is the dog is peeing? That's just one of them. Everybody's got storms. That's how we learn. But anyway. Boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I've been going through Dolores Cannon stuff again. It's amazing how people have been talking about this new world that's coming and the solar flash. And it's kind of complicated. And I'm trying to make it fit with the scriptures. Charlie, we're down here. Charlie, little dot down there. Charlie. Anyway, oh fuck. Cooper. Fuck. Cooper. Ollie! They didn't count or something. Oliver! Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Come on, Ollie. That's weird. Ollie! Oliver! Ollie! Oliver! Come on! Charlie! 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 Fuck. Ollie, come on! Ollie! Come on! Fuck. Charlie! Fuck. Come on, Ollie. Charlie! Fuck. Come on, Ollie! Come on! Charlie! Fuck is Charlie. Come on, Oliver! Come on! Come on! Shit. Charlie! Come on, come on. Oh, fuck. Charlie! Fuck. Charlie! I don't know what that is barking, but it ain't my dogs. I don't think. It all happens so fucking fast. Charlie! I got 3 out of 4 here. Fuck. Okay, I got him. Hey Charlie, where's Cooper? Coopy! Okay, I got them all. Boy, that was freaky. I don't know what that is. I don't want to know. Had my noisemaker out. Got my gun, but I don't really want to kill anything. Wait, Cooper, where you at? Ah, fuck. Cooper! Coop! I think they know something's up. Come on. Always something. Jurassic Park. Sure. Now I've lost Cooper. Cooper! Cooper! Fuck. I hope he's not hit. Fuck. Shit. Now watch. I cut the walk short because of that, whatever that was barking. Yeah, he'd probably piss on the floor again. Now I gotta find my other dog, which I hope is gonna hit, because he knows something's up. See, Oliver, if he heard it, he ran over there and got involved. Okay, there he is. Okay, good. Because he's, king. This is, this is my place, And, that light there, that's for coyotes right there. That's what that light's for. And we got radios playing out here. So, I guess we'll see if it happens tomorrow. I don't know what the fuck to do. Tarps on my roof because the roof is shot. Insurance won't pay enough to have it done, so I'm gonna wait till winter. It's cooler. I'll do it myself. Oh joy. Anyway, we're back home. Dolores Cannon says the world's going to split. There's going to be a utopic heaven on earth world, and the world like it is now, where they go into the Antichrist thing and all that shit that you hear about in the Bible. So you can avoid that and go with the good side of the split. Chloe, So if you're at least 51% in service to others, other than being in service to yourself, you're going to go with the good sides. But each side won't know that the other side even exists, so you'll never know. So pick one, I guess.